Good morning, dear students. We are studying about noun, the numbers, and in that we have already studied about what is a singular noun and plural noun, and we also studied about how the formation of plurals, how we can change the noun from singular to plural, and the few steps or a few methods we have already studied by changing F or FE into V and adding ES or S, and by adding ES to the singular. By adding S to the singular when a noun ending in Y has a vowel before it, and by changing Y into I and adding ES. So these four rules we have already studied. Now we are going to study the next rule, that is the fifth one, by adding ES to the nouns ending in O. So if the fifth rule is that by adding ES, okay, add ES in the nouns ending in O. So if the noun is ending in O, then what we have to do is that add ES at the end of the noun. So that is the only work that we have to do. So here like a cargo. Okay, so CARGO. So the last letter is O. So what we have to do is that ES has to be added at the end of this one. So that is the only thing. There is no any other things has to be done. So like a hero. Okay, so it is ending with a O, so you just have to add ES. Okay, so that is all about the thing that we have to do. So just add ES at the end of the noun which is ending with the O. So if the word is ending with O, then only we can use this method. Okay, so this is the next method. Next, sixth method is by changing the internal vowel. Okay, internal vowel. Changing the internal vowel, like food. It has to become feed. So the double O which is there internal inside this one, there are two vowels are there. Those two vowels have changed to another word, feet. So this will be entirely different. Okay, so these things you have to by heart. There is no any simple technique to understand this one. Like a tooth will become teeth. Mouse, that will become mice. Okay, so these are the different things. So here MOU is there, so here double O is there, that has been changed to double E. Here also double O is there, that has been changed to double E. Here OU is there and it has been changed with the I. So there are two, if there are vowels inside, so that vowel will be changed to another vowel in order to form the plural form. Okay, so this is the sixth rule. Okay, the next rule is by adding EN. Okay, so the brother, this is a word there, and in order to make it plural, what we have to do is that EN we have to add at the end, brethren. Okay, so that is there. Or you can say like a child. Child. So child, children. Okay, so adding EN at the end of it. Or we can say ox. Oxen. Okay. So these are the different means that we have to adding EN at the end of it. So this is another rule that we have to do it at the we have to add EN at the end of the word. Okay. The next, the eighth rule is there, that compound nouns. There are some compound nouns that it is connected with the two words. So there are these like some words or nouns are called as a compound nouns, means it is a group of words. 2-3 words are grouped together to make a single word, single noun. So like here it is there, commander in chief. So by changing the principal word into plural, the main word of the compound noun is changed into plural, like commanders in chief, gentlemen, governor, governor general, governors general, or a looker on, or a lookers on. So such a way, if there is a grouped word, then a compound word is there, then we have to change the compound word, the principal word of the compound word. So here there is like a gentleman, gentle, and its plural is gentlemen, men. Man is the main verb in that, and it has been changed to man to men. Men is plural, man is singular. So gentleman is singular, gentleman is plural. Okay, such a way it is used. And there are also few more rules are there for changing. Letters, figures, and abbreviations are made plural by adding s at the end, like NP, MPs. MA, MAs, BA, BAs, P, Ps, so like that. So if there are abbreviations and so on, then just we have to add at the end of this. And 4, 2, 4s and 2s, walk in 4s and 2s, so like that, the groups and all is mentioned. The next one, the following compounds have plural by adding s to the first element, like brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. So brother will become brothers. So it is almost like the compound noun that we have studied. The principal word will be changed into plural. So then it will be there. Like a grand in aid, grands in aid. Looker on, lookers on. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Passer-by, passers-by. Notary public, notaries public. So the same rule is there for the compound noun. The same noun, same rule is used in this one also. The following compounds have plural by adding s to the last element, like a stepson, stepsons. The last element will be changed into plural. Standby, standbys. Deputy director, deputy directors. So such a way it will be changed. Now the next we have to study is about the noun in pairs. We use a pair noun for something made of two parts which are the same. Look at the following words like jeans, pyjamas, pants, trousers, spectacles, glasses, scissors. A pair noun is plural and takes a plural verb. So here these words are there, like you can see, like jeans. So it is there actually, like jeans means it is a pair of things. Two things are there, like two legs are there for one jeans, isn't it? So you cannot purchase as one, like imagine that like socks. So one socks you cannot purchase, or there is no any benefit by you purchasing one socks. You cannot put one socks in one leg and another socks in another one. One pair of socks only you will be purchasing. So socks is a plural one and it has to be used together. Pants, one leg you can purchase and another one not there, or one is a green color, one is a red color, like that you cannot wear. Both should be the same color, both legs should be the same, then only it will look nice. Or scissors are there, there should be two things are required. Only with the one, this one you cannot cut it. So scissors, pyjamas, pants, trousers, spectacles. Spectacles also two glasses required. Only with one we cannot see. Glasses, scissors, all these. So these are the words which are used only as plural. They cannot be used as a singular. Like pant means if you call only as one pant, means two legs are there. So but we call it as pants only, and it is considered as a plural only, and it will take only a plural verb. So like my jeans need washing, not my jean. So you cannot say that jean. Jeans you will say plural only because it has got two pairs, two legs are there. Where are the scissors? Not where are the scissor. You cannot call it as scissor, only scissors. So it is only having plural form. Then there are some dialogues are given there. Like I need to buy new trousers. Those trousers are too tight. They don't feel very comfortable. So there all these sentences are there. There we have seen that they are using only the plural verbs. So like I need to buy new trousers. So buy, it is used as a plural verb is used. And these trousers, these Otherwise, if it is to be singular, then this trouser you can not use because only one is not possible. They, it is the word used they, not as a he or she or it is not used. They is used. Plural word is used. I need to buy some shorts. They suit me. I might also pick up a pair of jeans. Brown jeans are in fashion. What about the scissors and your spectacles, Sam? So these sentences you can find that these words are only used in a plural form. Oh yes, they are lying at the shop. Well, we will pick up those two. The following nouns are used in only singular, uncountable number like luggage, education, furniture, advice, hair, news, scenery, machinery, pottery, fruit, information, mathematics. So all these type of words are there. They will be only used as a singular, even though the meaning like news. News when you say like when ending with S, so we consider maybe it as a plural, but it is not considered as a plural. It is considered as a singular. Or a furniture, luggage. Okay, if there are plenty of luggage also, we don't call it as a luggages. It is called as only luggage. Group means many luggages may be there, luggage may be there, but we call it only luggage. We don't call it luggages. It is used only as a singular. Okay, and there are 6-7 exercises are there. You can do it, you can practice it. No need to write into your copy. So you can just try to do it and mark it in the book itself. Okay, thank you so much.